It's fine. Knife out, right? Yeah, boy. That was him, thank you. I'm on the rooftop though, so that sounds like a semi-auto shotgun is what I'm saying, or maybe a double barrel. Can you remind me from below? Nah. Just focus on you then. Catwalk. Just 2 concertinas. Choke bomb the door maybe, and then. Yeah, even better. Thank you. I am. How am I one? Oh, because I burned out. Yeah. That makes a fuck ton of sense. Well, wherever you want to go in, let me know where. No, I'm not hanging. I'm not gonna have a shotgun, bro. What the fuck you mean? But let me go in front of you. Know what I mean? Just wait for me. Where do you want me? Nah. I'm opening this door here. Ah, the moment I fucking turn around. Yeah, one guy on me. He's not peeking though. One more on the catwalk, might be going in now. You're fucking nuts. I'm dead.